Bane tujewo Enjaga. Tujewo omuzannyo ku mmundu. Mbegayiridde mujje omuzannyo mu mmundu. Nze bajja n'alien skin sibalinaako buzibu. Musigale nga mwevuma nga mwewemula, but it wasn't fun at all. How do you play with the gun? Bano we bakube endulu mukube essasi libeeryo. First of all, alien skin yabadde trespasser. Waliwe yabadde azze wa bajjo is a trespasser. Mu lutalo luno alien skin was a trespasser. Era siga yasaza abasirikale singa mufu. They are the property. Oba bavudde wane bajjo whatever gye bayombedde. Alien skin was a trespasser. That's the first thing. Eri washing be ya bajjo. Muve mu bintu by'okunoonya likes ne shares. Mugenda kufa. Alien skin teka mu obwongo. Weesonyiwa abasajja bo bagenda kukozesa ensobi. Alien skin ogenda fanga radio.
Export TV to the world.
Tole ndese ya alien skin. Nabalabye alien ne bajjo mwetwalaganya, but on a very serious note, it's not funny. It's no longer funny. Bajjo ne alien skin empalana yammwe weetuuse tebikyanyuma. It's not funny. Nalabye omusirikale oyo engeri gye yabadde akuttemu emmundu. N'ensaasira bakyabisekeramu. It's no longer funny. Bajjo ne alien skin muli bantu bakulu. Sit down and iron out your differences. Ekifaananyi ekyalabise jjo nga alien yotomera emmotoka ya bajjo. Ng'eno omusirikale bw'akuba amasasi. Ng'eno abantu we baleekaana mukube omutte. It's not funny. Tewali kisesaamu awo. Because entalo z'ebigambo zibeerawo ku social media. Era ze zitambuza amawulire. Naye physical wars. Entale zirimu okwonoona amamotoka. Entale zirimu amasasi. Eno musirikale bw'akuba amasasi, alien bw'atomera emmotoka. It's not funny at all. It's not funny. On either sides, by the way. Oba oli team alien, oba oli team bajja, I don't care. Byonna ebyabaddewo tebinyuma kulaba. Ate birina kifaananyi kirungi kye bireeta. Kati singa oyo musirikale mwena abakubye amasasi. Because, first of all, njagala okwebaza omusirikale oyo. Professionalism gye yalaze. How do you put your life at the mercy of a security guard? N'okwata obulamu bwo. N'obusa ku maseya wa security. Kati singa omusirikale oyo yakubye alien y'amasasi. It's not funny. Mugenda kufiira bwerere. Nze mamanyi celebrities mu limelight mwagala nnyo amawulire. It is not funny. Omusirikale ajja bakuba amasasi. What if alien bamukubye amasasi? Do you know that oyo musirikale era mwebaza? Actually, nze nebaza abasirikale. Professionalism gye mulaga ennaku zino. That security officer could shoot everybody. And they don't back him. Entandikwa y'ebyokwerinda is to keep law and property. You are destroying property. Omusirikale akutte emmundu, akuli maaso, osigala ovuga. Bane tujewo Enjaga. Tujewo omuzannyo ku mmundu. Mbegayiridde mujje omuzannyo mu mmundu. Nze bajjo n'alien skin sibalinaako buzibu. Musigale nga mwevuma nga mwewemula, but it wasn't fun at all. How do you play with the gun? Bano we bakube endulu mukube essasi libeeryo. It was lawful for him to shoot. Are you stupid? Are you normal? What is the role of security agencies? To keep land property. First of all, alien skin yabadde trespasser. Waliwe yabadde azze wa bajjo is a trespasser. Mulutalo luno, alien skin was a trespasser. Era siga yasaza abasirikale singa mufu. They are the property. Oba bavudde wane bajjo, whatever gye bayombedde. Alien skin was a trespasser. That's the first thing. Eri washing be ya bajjo. Only trespasser. Now you are destroying property. Oli mukutomera motoka. Oyo omusirikale bamuwa omudali. Let them give that security officer oba wa security guard mumuwa omudali. In fact, mumuyingize ne police. Omusajja kube sasi. Atenga toina jogenda mulopa. You a trespasser. Bamuleta kuma washing bay. Govuderi oli trespasser kwa wali siwali yenu. Siwa we wabajjo bairo. You a trespasser osali mbira ku washing bay. Siyo akatambi kalaga oli mukutomera motoka still etali iyo. What do you want security agencies to do? Who has that patience? Really, ani alina obugumikiriza bwe butyo. Oyo omusirikale bamu. A man shoots 4 times. Nakuwe sasa elisoka. No sikalange ero kyavuga. Bale tuddemu ku magezi. Muva mu bintu byobba kubira enduulu. Oli omusirikale akola mulimo gwe. Muva mu bintu by'okunoonya likes ne shares. Mugenda kufa. Ojja genda omanyira omusirikale eryefujjo lye mukola. Mwe mugenda fa. It's not funny. And I respect that security officer. I respect you, sikumanyi, but you deserve a medal. Wakozeseza profession. You shot the tire. Wakubye mupira. Esa sirimu. Singa tuli mu birala. Wano tewaliwo aina spare life. Alien skin simanyi lwaki oganyo okutegeera nti abalabe bo they are lowering you into a bigger trap. Alien skin abalabe bo kye bakukola bagenda kutwala mu katego kotagenda vaamu. Eyo video eragira ddala nti alien skin you are going to be trapped and killed. Mu week 2 alien skin wakawona amasasi emirundi 2. Alien skin, be very careful. Abasajja bozanyirako bazi nnyo. Kubanga kano ka video nga tetunakalaba muyina gye mwavudde ne bajjo. Bajjo nakuvuga nga akuleta ku washing bay. Alien skin teka mu obwongo. Wesonyiwa abasajja bo bagenda kukozesa ensobi. Alien skin ogenda fanga radio. Goloza buli akute mundu mugwanga linakwagala oba musanyufu. Alien skin nga bakedde ne bakutta. Ani asinga ofunamu. Sabo bennyini abakutwala mu butego. Olabikira mu ka video. Ngoli mukutomera emmotoka. Ettaka lyoliko siriryo. Washing besi wawo si public place. Omusirikale akutte mundu. Akubya amasasi 1, 2, 3. You are still doing the same thing. And you want us to support you. Nzali eniskini sigenda kuba mu bakuwana. I'll tell you the truth, my brother. Watch out for your enemies. Alien skin wegendereza abalabebo. Slowly by slowly you are moving towards death. Negwe tonachiraba. They are provoking you to be shoot. Bajja kukube sasi. Kati alien skin kankubulire. Omusajja kube sasi ne bamusiba emyezi ejo. Emyezi ena. Emundu temanyi serebu. Alien skin bali mukukutwala mu katego. Abalabe bo bakusinga obwongo. Ojja genda oyingirira property. You a trespasser. Kwa washing besiyo. oli omusirikale akola mulimu gwe bamuleeta kuma washing be babajjo bagenda kukozesa ensobi alien nze bino mbikubuulira wanu nkwagala tutufiiriddwa abantu bangi mu mana bwetu ba lediyo baafa teri munene asinga kufa bajja kuprovokinga alien bajja kuvuma naye omusirikale oyo singa yabadde really no we cannot reach to that level. A security officer nakuba amasa the man tried to save your lives mwena sobolo batta mwe oyo musirikale mwabadde mu ngalo ze. How can you put your life on the mercy of a security officer really? Mufachi bajjo alien skin, what do you want to prove? Lwaki mukutwa obulamu bwammwe lwaki mwagala tukabya amaziga? Oyo omusajja omunozana bwakuba essasi ne bamusiba emyezi mukaaga eyatta genoma. Omusajja yakuba geno kazini omukazi yamuta yavaayo dda mukomera baneetukakane nze bajjo n'alien sibalinaako obuzibu oba mwevuma oba mweweebuula but guns emundu natunudde ka video over and over again netulika nenkaaba banitumanyi kimuzanyirako oyo omusirikale bamuwa omudaali ngena abantu we bakuba enduulu mukube omusajja kuba essasi agenda kirowoozaamu nga amaze okukuba omulambo tebagukyusiza ddwaliro entaana emira ne Yesu Kristo yamumira mwina aba bakubira enduulu tewaliwo planned but the story was planned. Say the truth. What is in the video is uncalled for on both sides. Mulekeo namwe okwerimbalimba sibaba bipulanize sibaya alien badde bagenda muta alien has a responsibility to in that same video yabadde atoberera kye mmotoka wali wabadde wawe. Stop namwe mulekeo namwe okubeera nga abasiru abadde bamala okufana mutandika okweyogeza ebyekisiru. Tell people the truth. Alien naye yakoze ensobi nnyingi. Do you knock people's property because you are annoyed? Mutujeko namwe obusiru okwogera ebintu ebitali magezi. Everybody saw the video. There is destruction of property. There is use of firearms. And we're just here talking nonsense. Kati sigaba mukubya amasasi mwandi ogeddechi. Don't be stupid. Say the truth. Everybody was wrong. Mwagala tujano mbutu wane bichamu. I'm not that brand. We saw destruction of property. Use of firearms. You think it is funny? It's not funny. It's not fun at all. You want to hide the truth. You want to mwagala okulimbalimba ensi. Oleza tetwabirabi. Tufiiriddwa wana abantu. Tufiiriddwa abayimbi. In such circumstances, nga mutandika okuteekawo rest in peace nga mudda ku birala. Wano isi be bamukuba amasasi nga temwogera. Mwaddangano jajja good. Era jajja tuli naawe muli wakati. Hypocrisy, bigotism. Said the truth in the video. Alien skin was a trespasser. Eri washing besiye. You were trespasser. Omusirikale gwe baleeta okuuma agezaako okukubira amasasi. Warning shots. Leave what you are doing. You are knocking the car. Emotoka newe basiyange. You are destroying property. The UPDF. Lwaki twakola amaje to keep law and order and property. You are at the mercy of a security officer. And you think it is funny? It's funny. It's no longer funny. And we are tired. It's not fun at all. Temutufula basiru namwe. Mwatufula basiru tetutegeera tetulaba. Mwaba tutegeerera. In any video, when there is gunshots or bakwa amasasi, it means there is something fundamentally wrong. people would have lost their lives. Kasiwa musirikale teyabadde professional. Nakubako bajjo, oba nakuba alien, oba nakuba babaddewo. What would happen? Don't take us for a garbage show. We reason, we think, we support the truth. Not everything. Mbotu jachi supporting alien Mirundi, alien takola asobi. Nonsense. Muva mituye chisiru namwe. Alien aganyo chitegira that his enemies bagezo okumusinga. Babgenda mukozesa ensobyejo. And I want to tell you this authoritatively. Alien skin bwatakakana. Nava kuaba abantu. Nakola ebibye is going to lose his life. That's it. You can't test God 3 times. Church the funny mu video yeyo. What's not everything is self-explanatory. Alien skin and Bajjo had disagreement somewhere. Ndoza basokedde walala. Je tutabadde. Then ne bajja ku washing bay. Washing bay ya Bajjo. It's not a public place. Let us see the restaurant. Singa bekubidde ku papazi ewa misachi. Oba singa besaze kwa Kashia. Bonna tebadi taking the blame. But this one is a trespasser. And the security officer is professional enough not to kill anybody. And we are just here. Hey, you know, bamu settings. Olaba junior. Awo bukodio. The wali bukodio one. It's just common sense. Have common sense. And you think it is funny. It's funny. Emundu bajisekeramu. It's funny. After people being shot, then you come with your rest in peace. Instead of telling people the truth in their faces, that this time you are wrong. Not to be the motoka yomuntu. Why don't you go to the police? The next officer will shoot all of you. But abasirikale bavu. Abana babwe tebasoma. They are disgruntled. Oyo musajja gwe baleeta oyo gwala byakuba amasasi. The man is patient. I know mutima ogwekisa. Esasi teriweta. You are here making fun as if it is normal. This is not normal occurrence. Nagala kutufura basiru. Mundu bajizanyisa. A person is shooting 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you say it's normal. You are just there. Mukorabu TikTok, sarcastic TikTok videos. We have been here long enough. We know what we are saying. We have lost people. People. Mumitwe ebyekisirusiru ebyokwebuzabuza. Then after nga mukaba nnyo. Hey gundi banange omwana oyo twamulabula. Tell them. Alien skin. I'm telling you these words. Don't let your enemies lower you into traps. Act mature. For never provoking. Do we go knock in people's cars? Do we enter people's premises? Alien skin, don't allow. Balabebo kukozesa asobi. Which are, by the way, very costly. Olaba gwene badjo. Omusirikale tabamanyi. Omanyi serebu muloza. Abayine mundu babamanyi. They don't know you. Omusajja bamwe emitwalo 10. Jakuma chifo. Olia oyo no ne motoka. Lwaki takubegwa amasasi. The man was very professional. Era njagala Uganda police. Please and all the public, let us thank that man. Yakubye emipira bajizaawo. Neri abadde sasirimu. Yandi badasika trigger esasi limu yandi kyusize embeera singa Uganda eri mu birala. Postmortem. Nyenja tukuteekayo isi matali yo mutaka. Judge good all access singa taliwo. So muve mu bintu bya idealism. Let us be realistic. That video is not fun at all. And there's no supporting anybody. It was a disgrace, a shame, and called for total paranoia of state collapse and decay. And you think it is funny? We are not a garbage crap. 3 dustbins. I looked at that video several times. And I honestly want to thank security officer, that guy should be rewarded. For one, keeping life. Keeping life. Property can be restored. Bine bintu tubizawo amamotoka bagazawo. Obulamu tebuzikawo. You put yourself on a mass of a security guard. And you have the guts to come here, you tell us who is wrong, who is right in your funny, lousy head. We should do better. Don't start blaming people. Bino bobo wine tabirimu. Towa iliza bobo wine. Towa iliza bobo wine tabiri na mubino. Sajatu alimagere yebas. It's failure. Failure. To no one, you have enemies. Two, they are lowering you into a trap. And when you don't really get that in your head, I wish you the best. In the one, and I will still come here and tell you what you don't want to say. I've lost friends, I've lost people, I've lost relatives. Mukobyo muzanyo gwamwe. In the disguise of looking shares, munonya shares, munonya talkability, which is not fun at all. Alien skin in a badge, mukomewe to bagala, mudaku galaxy mwevume. Alien skin in a badge, mutuyambe chituchimu. You got to let your abuse each other. It is the last time we are seeing destruction of property and the use of firearms. Video elimama sasi. Video elimama sasi. Say erifane yo. Erifane. Umanyi memories igwezo tujukiza. Abamu wetu abo musirikale nga kuba amasasi. Tujukirawo yisima. We start crying. Bolo za music agenda kuzango food. Kasi ya mukubye sasi. Emyezi naje bamusiba. N'obutamusiba. Nze naona basecurity basa abantu teri abasibi. Babakyusa transfer. Kaine twabanga we bukola obo sarcastic videos obo wekisiru because you want to get shares and views. In a video that's not fun at all. But video chimunsi yo naje wali olabye erimo kuba amasasi ngeri fun. It means there is a serious problem. What way is the man? So I greatly want to thank that security guard for using a lot of professionalism and patience. Want to protect property and life. To protect property and life, which is a fundamental pillar of security. In any country. In any country, by the way. So, if you be those who want to agree with me, agree with me. Those who want to disagree with me, do so. Just channel on your views. If you think I'm looking for shares, just see the social media. I tell you what you don't want to hear. Some of them are dead. Because me, I know. So, ebyo mbikomezaawo nsonga zali any skin ne bajjo. You can still abuse me the way you do, but time will tell. Time is the best teacher. We shall all be here putting on black clothes. Tuja kwano nga twambadde engoye enzirugavu. That I promise you. If some people don't get common sense and social intelligence, bolaba nga omuntu akutte mundu lwana awe. Never open an argument with anybody who is armed. You are putting your life at the mercy of somebody. And they will not hesitate to shoot you. Not everybody is good at it. I always tell people, mbabulira, bolaba nga omuntu nga ine mundu toyombanga naye. Run away. Ka decision mu bwongo ebejo. Kwata ku trigger. Kada kantu katini bwe kati. Necessity leader. It is irreversible. Nejeno bwo mutundu zamwe mundu adduka. So a weapon is not something to play with. And by the way, no bada tebiri mu entertainment industry. This is a new currency. Wano twevuma, ne twewemula, ne tuddawo. Naye mundu. I wish you luck. We shall always be here. Me am a man of truth. Zeramu jakucha ira kumazima. Kwawe ngama ati mpagira omuntu. Situndayo mutwe gwange. I think for myself, I give examples. Radio wano singa mulamu. So no Rachel, it's not fun at all. We should now really think beyond what we are doing. And we come back to normal terms. Today mu buntu. Tugambe eno line ate tubadde tugisusse. Waliwo line gye tutasala. Sajja akutte mundu. Tannalya na kulya. Abasirikale abasiga n'emmere tebalya. Talowooza. Eno bwe bamugamba shoot. Shoot. Hey. So that's bad. That's entirely wrong. Entirely wrong. To the intellectual world. It's entirely wrong. So mwe nabagamba omusirikale amasasi yakubye gachi, it is his work. That's why he's there. To protect life. If you want to destroy life and property, you will die. You will die. You will die in any country. You will die. Jango tomere yangi. If you want to test death, okay, jango kalo tomere motoka yangi. Calling whatever name you call yourself. I can authoritatively tell you will die. How do you even knock my car? On which grounds? Ngane court by reef. I know kube chizime ku court order. You knock my car. and you arrive by the way. And okay, mujamu kube yangi. Let anybody. You come and destroy my property. Ombulireyo eteka n'erimu mu constitution. Erigati, when you destroy property, you remain alive. Me, I'm not stupid. The siri musiru. Njagala ombulireyo eteka erigati. Bwojoko ono na property. Omusirikale takuba masasi. Oyo omusirikale mumuwa omudali. Many of you would have lost your life. Ate, wana abasirikale balemesako bamugemeire. De bamugemere ko omulamuzi justice bamugemere. Abasirikale bamulemesa wana. Ne baba we midali okulambula ettaka. They were doing their work. Bamuga talk to the commanders. Justice bamugemere nagana. The justice allow me to go akasajja ne coaching emundu nekaya justice you will not go from this quarter guard. Call the boss. Oda ya majoji manyigwe. So if you want to play, continue. Life is a story. We shall write your story. Yaisi bate twajiwandika story. Weri Jajja Ichuri yali buloga wa amani. Ni weri story. You will also be in stories. Cowards live longer. Abatitizi bawangala nnyo. But they die in big numbers. So you shall also write a story. Na yensi tekoma. Ntwasigayo nga balyanga banno. So tweddeko ku mpisa zaffe. Buli omu awe munne ekitiibwa. Noza ate tweyongereyo.
Export TV to the world.